Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the solid white issue on your PlayStation 4 or PS4 Pro. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. So you're having an issue where you have a solid white light on your PlayStation 4 or PS4 Pro and there's no video and it seems like everything is frozen. How would you go ahead and fix this? Well, this could be a relatively easy fix. Go ahead and try holding down the power button on the front of the console for like 30 seconds and just see if you'll hear one beep and then have your unit power off. Otherwise, if your unit doesn't power off by pressing and holding down the power button at the front, go ahead and flip it around and just unplug it from the wall outlet, just like this. And it will completely power down now. Now, there could also be an issue with your TV or some sort of HDCP issue. Go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall outlet for approximately 1 minute as well. At the same time, your PlayStation 4 is unplugged. And then wait 1 to 2 minutes and plug everything back in and see if simply just power cycling everything makes everything work. So I'm going to turn on my PS4 and it's going to power on. Now, another thing you want to be aware about is your HDMI cable. Maybe your HDMI cable is a little bit unplugged in the back or the front, so I'd suggest taking the end that's plugged into the PlayStation 4 and completely switching it around. So plug this end into the TV now and plug the TV end into the PS4 in case there is some sort of connection issue. Just go ahead and disconnect it. And when your PlayStation 4 starts up, you will see this screen where it says checking the system storage, and it's going to have to load and complete this process before you can actually start playing. Now, if you are having some kind of like video signal issue or some sort of HDCP issue, you may want to go ahead and download the PS4 Remote Play app on your phone. And then you can connect to your console. Let's say you have no video signal. If you connect to your PlayStation 4 with the Remote Play app, you can actually see what's on your screen with this application. And then you can just use this as a monitor or TV screen, essentially. So this will just be in the App Store for your smartphone. Just go ahead and get PS Remote Play. So if you're able to connect to the Remote Play application, go up to Settings, and then scroll on down under here until we get to System at the bottom. And then go on down to Enable HDCP, and just try checkmarking this or checkmarking this option right here. It says Enable HDCP. Just go ahead and checkmark it or uncheckmark it, and just see if that helps your screen detect a video signal. Now, another thing you can do is completely turn off your PlayStation. So hold down the power button right here and continue to hold this down. You will hear one beep initially, and then you will hear a second beep, and then your PlayStation 4 will go ahead and turn off, and you want it completely off so there's no light on the top of the light bar here. And then take a USB cable just like this and plug it into the front of the console, and then plug the other end into the controller. Now, there may also be an issue with the video resolution on your TV. It just simply doesn't match the settings of the PS4, so you're not getting a video signal on your monitor or TV, but your PlayStation 4 is still powering on. So now hold down the power button. You'll hear one beep, and then you'll hear a second beep, like 10 seconds later again. So you can see it's turning on. I heard that second beep. I'm going to let go now. So this is what the safe mode menus look like. You have to connect to your DualShock 4 using a cable and then press the PlayStation button. And if you can see this screen, you probably had some sort of issue with HDCP and the resolution on your monitor. HDCP essentially is just copyright protection. Now you can go down to change resolution right here, and it'll start your PlayStation 4 and you can choose the resolution. Otherwise, you can go to option number 5 and rebuild your database in case there's some sort of like hardware issue, maybe your hard drive's malfunctioning, something like that. Otherwise, you can completely factory reset your PlayStation 4 and install the system software. Otherwise, you can update your system software from the internet. So maybe there's some sort of software issue with your PlayStation 4. You can update it right now. So there's some options under here to go ahead and fix your PlayStation 4 in case you still got that white light issue. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.